This is the Hoover Dam and the new suspension bridge. We've passed about 5 police cars, so I'm sure it's pretty heavily guarded. This is actually the state line between Arizona and Nevada, is right in the middle of the bridge. This is somebody observing the bridge. One of the crazies that the cops is looking for. Watch out for that guy. So what are some fun facts on the suspension bridge?
5 years to build.
5 years to build. Can you bungee jump off it?
Not legally.
Oh. Do you got any...
But you can do it.
There you go, let's do it.
You've got a little platform underneath, see up there? That's for the bungee jumping.
Nice.
But you have to rappel off the top to get to that platform.
Sounds like fun. So this, Arizona. This, Nevada. Arizona, Nevada, Nevada.